Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn on Facebook notifications for tags from friends of friends on your PC. With the latest update, Facebook has made it easier than ever to stay connected and informed about who's tagging you in posts. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to enable these notifications. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a bell icon. That's your notifications icon. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll see a drop-down menu with your recent notifications, but we're not interested in those right now. Instead, look for the three dots, also known as the More icon, usually located near the top of this drop-down. Click on those three dots. A new menu will appear. From this menu, choose Notification Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize all your Facebook notifications. On the Notification Settings page, scroll down until you find the Tags section. Click on it to expand the options. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option that says Friends of Friends. Simply click on this option to enable notifications for tags from your friends' friends. And just like that, you're all set. From now on, you'll receive notifications whenever a friend of a friend tags you in a post. This is a great way to expand your network and stay in the loop with your extended Facebook community. Remember, you can always come back to this settings page to adjust your preferences. Facebook is all about customization, so feel free to play around with other notification settings while you're here. Thanks for watching our tutorial on how to turn on Facebook notifications for tags from friends of friends on PC. We hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more social media tips and tricks. Happy Facebooking!